The brand sent me this. We're going to open it right now. What do you want to pull, Ed? Which one of these do you want to get?
I either want that little guy or that guy.
I definitely want this one right here. This better be mine.
And normally I'm not into like Labubu type stuff, but this
But
one
look at
just looks so
this.
cute.
So cute. Okay, let's pull it and see what we get. I love it when they have a zipper. Makes the whole unboxing experience that much more fun. Uh-oh, I just saw it, Drats.
I saw it too.
Nice big bag. That means this little doll in there is going to be nice and big.
I think it was the bleach. I wasn't gonna tell y'all. I'll tell y'all after. As correct, it was the pink one.
Ah, he's so cute.
Wait, do his eyes move? No, his eyes don't move.
Okay, let's have a closer look at him. Oh, first of all, he is incredibly soft. Look at these little wings back here. And then he's got little horns. Of course, a keychain if you want to put them on your purse. And listen, I saw the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, the Hilton lady, having a Labubu on her $20,000 purse. So if you want this on your purse, you can put this on your purse and not feel bad about it. What do you think these little yellow things are?
Hands.
Oh, the hands? But what are these then?
His real hands. He's in a dragon costume.
Is he in a costume? I don't know. I think that's some kind of hat. And then on the back, he's got this little tail. Isn't it adorable? And his little cute feet.
And you think it would be like a Labubu hard all around, but no, it's legitimately squishy.
Very, very soft. Look at how cute his eyes are. And these little things around his face. Just an absolutely adorable unboxing. So if you've been thinking about trying one of these, I can't wait to see what you pull. You'll have to come back and let us know. If you want to get one for yourself, I'll have the link for you just down there or a QR code on the side of the video. And you can scan that with your phone if you're watching this on the big screen, or go down into the description and click on over. Don't forget to subscribe.